Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to link Google verification in KuCoin account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and at the address bar type in kucoin.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, at the profile section, at the top navigation bar, hover your mouse to it and find account security option. Click on that option. Now, under security settings in 2FA, you will find Google verification. Now click on link button here. After that, you will need to verify using your email address. Click on send link here and open your email and find the code sent by KuCoin. After that, type your code in this field here. Now open Google Authenticator on your phone. You need to download Google Authenticator from App Store or Play Store. After the download is completed, you can scan this QR code. After scanning the code, you will get the authentication code in that application. Now type in that code in this field here. After that, click on Activate button. And that is how you can link Google verification in KuCoin account. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.